I'm repping Dolphins, man.
Go Bills.
Yeah, we out here in these streets. Yeah, I think Miami gotta win.
Nope.
Yo, them all have ski lift, you know. Watch it. That's the ski lift right there. Yeah. True, me used to down here so regular. You know, I travel very regular. I used to it. You know, Joshua's team gonna lose. Yeah. We don't even know how to get into the stadium, but we're here. Just gonna make it happen. You know. Ask me how me I go come back home, come tired. But that is it. Yes, let's go. Repping for the Dolphins. This dude is saying Bills.
Go Bills.
Dolphins gonna win. This is a workout, trust me guys. To support the Dolphins, you have to go some far away. Trust me, this is crazy. Yeah, we're going up a ramp. Which seat, where, what level is our seats? We have to know what level our seats are on so that we know. 200, so we need to go up more. Our seats are on the 200 level. So Joshua Carmina, guys, I'm tired already. This is a workout. Let me see what's going on over here. Look what's going on, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. We're going up there. Yeah. Wow. What is seats number now?
Josh, 230.
230, so let's have a look on the section. So Josh got a seat in the club section, guys. This is like bashment. This is like this is like crazy. Up here, so out of the riffraff. No Walipa nice, no Walipa rare. This is like where the bougie people them go. You understand? I hope you saw Josh Carey. Look at that. Carpeted and the moss. Yo, Josh, you locked out on seats, bro. Josh, tell the people so you got the hook up.
I got the connection.
He got the connections, guys. He's in club seats. Yo, 230. Look, you got security for suites. I wonder if it's a suite.
I don't know.
It's a general section. Yeah. This is crazy. Yeah, go Dolphins. Woo. Kino, I didn't have a rep for we bridging. I could have made one Joshua go like him want dominate the thing. You understand? I had to rep for you, Kino. Josh, I'm telling Kino that Miami Dolphins gonna win. Bridging, the man get good seats. Yo, the man get seats in the 200s, bridging. Yo, club seats. The man getting a brother. Did I say club? I mean club seats. We're not in the nosebleed. We are in the club. Look here. You see that? That is how close we are to the field. I can smell their arm. Yes. No, you mean like with a plane or with a blimp? Normally they use a blimp. So, I get a souvenir and I said, I go get Kino. And then I thought about it and said, nope, I'm keeping it. Yep, you gotta be here. Go fair. If them win, that is. If them lose, me give. But if them win, I'm keeping it. Shut up, bye. My nerd coach. Look how man does school. That's a man look. Full nerd, you know. Watch him. I think that man is a scientist. I don't think he's a coach, Joshua. Look. I think he knows something. Him look very suspicious right now. Yeah, that coach look very suspicious right now. Trust me. The drone. Halftime show, and they're doing 50 years of rapping or rap music or hip hop music in Miami. And guess who them featuring? Yes, them featuring Rick Ross. Can you believe it? Rick Ross. Yes, we're taking in a live show with Rick Ross in a big car and a beer bashment agwan. Yeah man, that's what the thing said. I enjoy it. I never really want to go, but I enjoy it. I really and truly happy to here. You understand? It's a far drive, you know, from Port Lucie to all the way to Miami. On a Sunday afternoon, I'm a bit tired. But sometimes you have to make the sacrifice, right? Right. Win, no matter what. All right. We step up in the club and then whoop, and then we stay there. Yeah, man, that's the man said. It was about 100 yards. Buffalo run a while ago. Scored the touchdown. My voice almost gone. I mean, I said Dolphins still, you know, but I said Buffalo under the quiet. But I said Dolphins still, you see me? Oh my gosh, Let's go. So at the end of the day, Dolphin lost, Buffalo Bills won. As we made our way out of the stadium, it was around maybe 12 o'clock, midnight. And this really and truly was a good day. The most important thing was that I got to spend time with Joshua. And I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, that makes it worth it, and it was priceless. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more from Yardbelly TV.